Hello and welcome everyone watching this video. In this video I will show you how you can install the new exporter plugins for Twinmotion and how will they work. It's a little bit different compared to the previous one, so there are a few differences. Twinmotion has introduced a new plugin for Archicad. It's called Datasmith Exporter, and this will work in 23, 24 and 25. Before you install this, make sure that you have Twinmotion 2021 installed to your computer. If you launch your Epic Games installer and you click on the Twinmotion tab, you should see the available Twinmotion versions here. And if you have already updated your Twinmotion, today when I make this video, the latest version is 2021.1.4, and you can launch it from here. If you haven't installed this, there will be a big update button here. So if you need to do that step, please do that first. And once that's done, you can install the plugins as well. So to install the plugins, you need to search for this website here, Exporter Plugins for Twinmotion. If you just type in plugins for Twinmotion, this website will pop up as a first result in your search field. And if you scroll down, you can choose Archicad from the options, and you can choose the installers depending on your operating system. Today I will demonstrate this on a Windows machine, but of course this can be done on Macs as well. So I will choose the Windows one and download it first. I will just place it to my desktop. After the download is done, we need to install this, so I will just double click on it and run the installer. Quickly accept everything I need to accept, and I will install this for all my Archicad versions, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, after this is done, I can open a test project, and I will have one in 25, so I will run my Archicad 25. Choose my test model and open it. The previous Twinmotion direct link had a separate menu at the top. The new Datasmith exporter is hiding under the palettes. So to be able to use it, first you need to go to Windows and Palettes and choose the Datasmith palette, which will be somewhere here in the bottom. And if you open it, you will see that it has 4 buttons, and this is a tiny palette. It can be moved around the screen and can be docked somewhere. So I will just dock it here to the top. And what you will see here is that you have a direct link button, a connections button, export to Datasmith file button, and messages. So the previous direct link, if you clicked on the direct link button, Twinmotion opened up automatically. This is not the case with this new exporter plugin. So before you can use the direct link, connection needs to be established between Twinmotion and Archicad. So to do that, from the 3D window, you need to export the model first. So I will click on Export to Datasmith file, and I will save this model to my desktop and call it Test Model. After this is done, I will need to run Twinmotion manually. So I will go to my Epic Games installer and launch my Twinmotion. And once Twinmotion has opened up, first I need to establish the connection between Archicad and Twinmotion. To do that, I will have to import a Datasmith direct link. I can do that from the import menu, which is going to be here at the top in the bottom left corner. If I click on the plus button, I can choose a file. So first at the geometry tab, I can click on open and look up my desktop and choose this Datasmith file that I saved, open it. And then if I click on the import direct link tab, I can choose Archicad test model. This is the one that I imported, and click OK. And if I do that, the model will show up here. Here it is. And then once I have this set up, so I have Twinmotion and Archicad open, if I make changes to the model, then I should be able to use the direct link button to sync the changes. So I copied these people here, and if I click on the direct link button, my changes should show up in Twinmotion. And this will work as long as I have Archicad and Twinmotion open and this connection is established. What's different from the previous direct link though is if I save my model and close my Archicad down and close it and open it again next day, let's say, I will have to again open Twinmotion manually and choose this connection to make the direct link work. So it won't work as automatic as it used to be. I hope this makes sense. Please let us know if you have any questions or problems with this by logging a ticket from your MyCI account, My Support tab.